Every Christmas lights twinkle, candle glow, and hearts open. But behind the sparkle and songs lies something deeper. The hands that create joy. Today I want to share a story of handmade love and the lesson of girl learned through Christmas crafts that change her home forever. So sit back, relax, and let's travel to a small snowy town where Christmas magic was made not from gold but from jute, paper, and love. In a little village surrounded by pine trees lived a young girl named Ilana. Her family did not have much, just a cozy cottage, a small fireplace, and a big dreams. As December began, the village sparkled with lights. Every window shone with ornaments, wreath, and ribbon. But Ilana's house looked plain. Her mother had said gently, "This year, sweetheart, you can't afford new decorations." Ilana smiled and nodded, but her heart sank a little. She loved Christmas, a smell of cinnamon, and a glow of candles, and the joy of crafting. That night, as she sat near the fire, she looked at her empty walls and whispered, "Maybe I can still make something beautiful." And that's how it all began. The next morning, Ilana grabbed a basket and went outside. Snow covered the ground, and pinecone lay scattered beneath the tree. She picked them up one by one, each one different, each one special. Then she found some old glass jars near the shed, left over from last summer's jam. She smiled. Maybe these will shine again. Back inside, she opened her little craft box. Inside were only a few things: a roll of jute rope, a bit of burlap, some buttons and glue, and a few broken ornaments from last year. But Ilana believed she could turn them into a magic. After all, that's what Christmas was about, turning ordinary things into something extraordinary. Alana started with the first glass jar. She carefully wrapped jute around its neck, tying it with a bow made from burlap. Then she glued a tiny pine cone in the center, simple but elegant. Next, she placed a small tea light candle inside. When she lit it, the jar glowed softly, casting a golden shimmer across the room. Her eyes sparkled. It looked like Christmas. She made more, one with a button, snowflakes, one with tiny stars, and another wrapped in lace from an old dress. Each jar became a small treasure, glowing with warmth. As she worked, her little brother Tommy walked in. "What are you doing, Lena?" he asked curiously. She smiled. "Making Christmas." "Tommy, want to help?" Soon the two of them worked side by side, laughing, gluing, and wrapping. And for the first time in weeks, their home filled with joy. By Christmas evening, the whole house was transformed. The windows had glowing. The windows has glowing. But Ilana had one more idea. The red had handmade jute ornaments. The window had glowing jars, the tree had handmade jute ornaments, and the air smelled of cinnamon and the hope. But Alana had one more idea. She remembered the only lady, Mr. Harper, who lived down the lane, alone without family. Every year she watched the town celebrate from her frosty window. "Let's make something for her too," Alana told Mummy. Alana told Tommy, "Let's make something for her too." So they took an extra jar, tied it with a red ribbon, and filled it with light. Then they added a little tag that said, "To someone who deserves a bit of Christmas magic." That everything they quietly placed the glowing jar on Mrs. Harper's porch and ran home giggling. The next morning, snow sparkled like diamond. Alana and Tommy woke to the sound of soft knocking. When they opened the door, there stood Mr. Harper, her eyes glistening. She held the jar in the hands. "Did you make this?" she asked with a trembling smile. Ilana nodded shyly. The old woman said softly, "This light reminded me that someone still cares." Then she handed Ilana a small box. Inside was a set of old crafting paints and brushes. "These were mine," Mr. Harper said. "Now they belong to you. Keep creating magic." Ilana hugged her, and for a moment the world felt full of warmth, not from the fire but from kindness. The day Ilana realized something beautiful: Christmas is not about how perfect the decorations are, it's about how much love we put into them. Each handmade craft carries a piece of our heart, and when we share what we create, even something as small as a glowing jar, we share a piece of joy that can brighten something else's life. So the next time you pick up the jute paper or pine cone, remember Ilana's story. Remember that crafting is not just about making things, it's about making meaning. This Xmas, let your hands create hope, let your craft spread kindness, and let your heart be brightest